Nehemiah chapter 7. Now it came to pass, when the wall was built, and I had set up the doors, and the porters, and the singers, and the Levites were appointed, that I gave my brother Hanani and Hananiah, the ruler of the palace, charge over Jerusalem, for he was a faithful man and feared God above many. And I said unto them, Let not the gates of Jerusalem be opened until the sun be hot, and while they stand by, let them shut the doors and bar them, and appoint watches of the inhabitants of Jerusalem, every one in his watch, and every one to be over against his house. Now the city was large and great, but the people were few therein, and the houses were not builded. And my God put into mine heart to gather together the nobles and the rulers and the people, that they might be reckoned by genealogy. And I found a register of the genealogy of them which came up at the first, and found written therein, These are the children of the province that went up out of the captivity, of those that had been carried away, whom Nebuchadnezzar king of Babylon had carried away, and came again to Jerusalem and to Judah, every one unto his city. Who came with Zerubbabel, Jeshua, Nehemiah, Azariah, Raamiah, Nahamani, Mordecai, Bilshan, Mispereth, Bigvai, Nehum, Baanah. The number, I say, of the men of the people of Israel was this: of the children of Parosh, 2,172, the children of Shephatiah, 372, the children of Arah, 652, the children of Pahath Moab, of the children of Jeshua and Joab, 2,818, the children of Elam, 1,254, the children of Zattu, 845, the children of Zakkai, 703 score, the children of Binnui, 648, the children of Bigvai, 628, the children of Azgad, 2,322, the children of Adonikam, 603 score and 7, the children of Bigvai, 2,003 score and 7, the children of Adin, 650 and 5, the children of Ater of Hezekiah, 90 and 8, the children of Husham, 320 and 8, the children of Bezai, 320 and 4, the children of Hariph, and 112, the children of Gibeon, 90 and 5, the men of Bethlehem and Netophah, and 104 score and 8, the men of Anathoth, and 120 and 8, the men of Beth Asmaveth, 40 and 2, the men of Kirjath Jearim, Shephirah, and Beeroth, 740 and 3, the men of Ramoth and Gaba, 620 and 1, the men of Mechmas, and 120 and 2, the men of Bethel and Ai, and 120 and 3, the men of the other Nebo, 50 and 2, the children of the other Elam, 1,250 and 4, the children of Haram, 320, the children of Jericho, 340 and 5, the children of Lod, Hadid, and Ono, 720 and 1, the children of Siana, 3,930, the priests, the children of Jaah, of the house of Jeshua, 970 and 3, the children of Immer, 1,050 and 2, the children of Pashur, 1,240 and 7, the children of Haram, 1,017, the Levites, the children of Jeshua of Kadmiel, and of the children of Hadeva, 70 and 4, the singers, the children of Asaph, and 140 and 8, the porters, the children of Shallum, the children of Adar, the children of Talmon, the children of Akub, the children of Hetiah, the children of Shobai, and 130 and 8, the Nethinims, the children of Zihah, the children of Hashupha, the children of Tabaoth, the children of Kiroz, the children of Siah, the children of Padon, the children of Lebanah, the children of Hagabah, the children of Shalmai, the children of Hanan, the children of Giddel, the children of Gahar, the children of Reaiah, the children of Rezin, the children of Nekoda, the children of Gazam, the children of Uzzah, the children of Phasa, the children of Besai, the children of Meunim, the children of Nephishisim, the children of Bakbuk, the children of Akupha, the children of Harhor, the children of Baslith, the children of Mahida, the children of Harsha, the children of Barkos, the children of Sisera, the children of Tema, the children of Neziah, the children of Hatipha, The children of Solomon's servants, the children of Sotai, the children of Sophereth, the children of Perida, the children of Jaela, the children of Darkon, the children of Gidel, the children of Shephatiah, the children of Hatto, the children of Pochereth, of Zebaim, the children of Ammon. All the Nethinims and the children of Solomon's servants were 392. And these were they which went up also from Temela to Harasheb, Cherib, Adon, and Immer. But they could not shew their father's house, nor their seed, whether there were of Israel. The children of Delaiah, the children of Tobiah, the children of Nekoda, 642. And of the priests, the children of Habiah, the children of Koz, the children of Barzillai, which took one of the daughters of Barzillai, the Gileadite, to wife, and was called after their name. These sought their register among those that were reckoned by genealogy, but it was not found. Therefore were they, as polluted, put from the priesthood. And the Tirshatha said unto them, that they should not eat of the most holy things, till there stood up a priest with Urim and Thummim. The whole congregation together was 42,303 score, beside their manservants and their maidservants, of whom there were 7,337, and they had 245 singing men and singing women. Their horses, 736, their mules, 245, their camels, 435, 6,720 asses. And some of the chief of the fathers gave unto the work. The Tirshatha gave to the treasure 1,000 drams of gold, 50 basins, 530 priest garments. And some of the chief of the fathers gave to the treasure of the work 20,000 drams of gold and 2,200 pounds of silver. And that which the rest of the people gave was 20,000 drams of gold and 2,000 pounds of silver and 67 priests' garments. So the priests and the Levites and the porters and the singers and some of the people and the Nethinims and all Israel dwelt in their cities. And when the 7th month came, the children of Israel were in their cities.